During this presentation, we will learn about a special group of verbs in English called phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are usually idiomatic expressions that are created when a verb is combined with an adverb, preposition, or both an adverb and a preposition. When this occurs, the meaning of the verb usually changes. For example, the verb turn means to change position or direction. However, if turn is followed by off, it means to stop something from functioning. On the other hand, if turn is followed by on, it means to activate something. There are three types of phrasal verbs: a verb plus an adverb, a verb plus a preposition, sometimes called a prepositional verb, and a verb plus both an adverb and a preposition. Each of these types of phrasal verbs have specific rules that need to be followed when using them. When a phrasal verb is formed by a verb and an adverb, they may or may not require an object, depending on whether the phrasal verb is transitive or intransitive. Sometimes these types of phrasal verbs can be both transitive and intransitive depending on how they are used. When these types of phrasal verbs are intransitive or in an intransitive state, they do not require an object because the action is not being done to anyone or anything. However, when these types of phrasal verbs are transitive, they require an object. If the object is a noun, it can be placed either before or after the adverb. When the object is a pronoun, it must go between the verb and the adverb. When a phrasal verb consists of a verb and a preposition, it always has to have an object. Otherwise, the sentence is incomplete. In addition, the verb and preposition are inseparable. Therefore, the object, whether a noun or a pronoun, must always go after the preposition. Phrasal verbs that include a verb, adverb, and preposition follow the same rules as phrasal verbs made up of a verb and a preposition. They must have an object, and the object, whether a noun or a pronoun, must go after the phrasal verb. Thanks for watching. Feel free to post comments to this tutorial.